Today we are going to discuss about how to improve the customer experience using the website optimization, designing and changing the design, the usability and the conversions. So it's all about changing your website. Every time your website needs an update, so you have to analyze your market and the business, and that's how you do it. So starting based upon the your business, you have to make a path. There will be a path for every business and market that like the first you have to attract your audience, you have to make them engaged, you have to give them informative things. These are like, we'll define it as a journey. There may be a questions that needs to be answered for your targeted audience, and they will be maybe like they must see the reviews. At one stage they will purchase your product, you must retain it, you must follow the loyalty program. So defining a flow for every business is the key thing that you need to do first. Similarly, analyze your web pages or list out all of the web pages that you have and categorize it into uh, sections like blog. There must be product listing pages, there will be product pages, there will be other static pages, and define a journey in the set of page itself. So every page will must be leading to another page following this type of journey, and that's how you form the layout of a page. For every page you have to define the action that your audience must take after reading or after going through the web page, and that's how you make the layout, and that's how you make the wireframes. Not like designing from the start and thinking, just not from the thinking, it have to be following this journey. That's how you have to design and optimize your existing websites. The designers can of course get inspirations from Pinterest and Behance, but for user interface, for user experience, you have to follow a journey like this, and not do not make options that feel that I think it will work. You have to analyze the market. How would you analyze the market? Suppose your web page, you want to test whether a button kept above or a button kept below, which one would work. Just open those two pages to the audience and let us do a A/B testing, and suppose you will get an data that 87 percentage of this clicked on this and 13 percentage of visitors clicked on this button when it was in down. So that's how you produce the data. This data must define the usability and the design and the conversions, and that's how you have to design a web page to optimize your existing web pages. That's how you improve the customer experience, and it must be very easy for the customers. You might have noticed that some applications like Uber or Paytm, they make some buttons very like a sticky thing. So that all must be analyzed first. So the payment process must be made much simpler. You can analyze the competitor and there will be of course the best performance. Just copy them. I say copy them. So there will be giants in the markets who make the payment process so simple. You can, for example, you can go through the Mintra site of Mintra. So maybe your payment process will be having a 7 step now. You can make it to a 3 step. Such kind of optimization can be done. Your pages may be too much congested. You can maybe your audience need more relaxed way, and there must be more white spaces. There may be more text in your web page, but you have to add maybe photos and videos. This type of idea you will get by the competitor analysis. Maybe there will not be any reviews, and you have to keep the reviews with videos. There may be text, and you have to keep the experience videos. So such kind of website optimization have to be done. So this is how you improve the customer experience. First, define the journey for the web page itself, make the layout, competitor analysis, and just optimize your existing website.